Oh boy, today is Friday and we will plant, you know what's this? Aloe Vera. It's good for the birds. We'll plant aloe vera. Now's the best time to plant them when it's starting to rain. Less work. Plant, plant, plant. We will get a pot from the stockage. We'll be needing this. So we need these pots. So we need the planting material of aloe vera, and we will harvest from here. And down, two down. So easy. Just pull it gently. Here we have a lot. Okay, let's get the bigger one. This is good for the birds and for your hair. If you're having a hair loss, this is good. This is enough. How we do this, so easy. This is a rice hull. It's an old rice hull, like from last year. So when you have in a priced hull, we don't use soil, by the way. We just use rice hull. And then we choose planting material. No! There you go. This one looks good. Dig inside. Make sure to put it in the center, and then the cocoa husk. It has to be super old, like from last year. So the purpose of the old coconut husk is it's a mulching, so to prevent grasses and unwanted weeds to grow in there, and it also holds moisture. Okay, so there you go. One down. Put this in the shaded area for a while, under a tree here. Stay there, and then with the others. There you go. Please like and share the video so you can all learn together. Happy bird keeping. So here is the finished product.